Are you trying to visualize your survey data? Have you been searching Google and YouTube for hours, looking for ways to transform your messy survey data into a beautiful dashboard? You could always pay someone else to do it, or ask IT to help, but, well, you know how that goes. Introducing VizualSurvey. VizualSurvey is a whole new way of cleaning data from any survey software and visualizing it instantly. An easy-to-use interface where you can connect, clean, export, and start visualizing your survey data instantly in any of our survey dashboard templates, or build your own from scratch. It's as easy as plug and go. Automate your entire survey data cleaning and visualization process with no IT experience necessary. No more wrestling with survey data. No more manual work. No more waiting forever. Start visualizing your survey data today